Hi, welcome to Mennonite Farmhouse. I'm Leanne, and if you're new to my channel, I do cooking and baking from scratch and canning videos. And if that's something you'd like to see more of, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell all to be notified when I upload my next video. And this video is to announce the Pies of March collaboration of 25. Can you believe it? This is my third year hosting this, along with Tony at Kettle Kitchen, and we're going to be bringing you a pie video almost every day this month from a new channel. And let's go over the wonderful collaborators we've brought on this year to bring you all these great recipes. So Monday, we're going to start with my channel, Mennonite Farmhouse. And then Tuesday, we have Molly Purcell. And I'm going to read these off my sheet here so I don't mess up the names. Wednesday, Milknhoney Heritage Farms. Thursday, Holmans Homestead. Friday the 7th, Valerie Hargett. Saturday the 8th, Gail's Southern Living. Sunday, Barb's Country Home. Monday is going to be Mtn Grandma. Tuesday the 11th, Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. And Wednesday, Christine, Mrs.GilliamFarms. Thursday, Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa. Friday, Our Small Town Life. Friday the 15th, you're going to come back to my channel for another video on pies. Then the 16th, we're going to visit Big Valley Living and see what she has cooking up. Monday the 17th is Life in the Piedmont. Tuesday is Pike Creek Farm. Wednesday the 19th, Rooted in Texas. Thursday the 20th, 9 Acre Family Farms. Friday the 21st, C&C Farms. Saturday the 22nd, you're coming back to see me on the 22nd. 23rd, you're going to go see Apron Strings. The 24th, Monday, My Table of Three. The 25th, Bloo's Self-Reliance. Wednesday the 26th, and Southern Home. Thursday, the Inquisitive Farmwife. 28th, the Flavorful Home. Saturday, you're going to come back to me and enjoy another pie video. Sunday, the 30th, Jennifer Ocean Homestead. And the 31st is going to be let out by Tony at Kettle Kitchen. You're going to want to make sure you're commenting on all these videos and making sure you leave a heartfelt comment, because, you know, YouTube likes to read out bland and repetitive comments, and we don't want you to lose out on the grand prize of a $100 gift card and two $50 gift cards. We'll have a few other prizes. So make sure you're subscribing and commenting and sharing the love of pies, because, you know, we all need spring pies for Easter. And look at this gorgeous pie back here for you. You're going to find out how to make that on Monday. So let's get excited for Pies of March. And the live stream giveaway will be on the Mennonite Farmhouse channel on April 3rd at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be giving away by random, on a random video, the $100 gift card and the two $50 gift cards, along with other door prizes for the live stream side chat. I hope to see you then, and let's get excited about the Pies of March, folks.